presenting the easiest way to find keywords that are easy to rank and drive your traffic through the roof. Plus, get access to super valuable keyword metrics for which other companies are charging hundreds of dollars monthly. Introducing Instakeywords. Find thousands of laser-targeted keywords for your niche. Isolate low-effort keyword that are easy to rank but have good traffic to boost your sales. Get unlimited access to super secret keyword metrics that costs hundreds of dollars per month. Do unlimited keyword searches and exports. No other keyword tool allows this. Commercial use license. Sell your keyword research to others and make money online. See how easy Instakeywords makes it to find laser-targeted keywords for any niche that are super easy to rank, get you traffic, laser-targeted leads, and more sales. Step 1. Enter your main keywords. Step 2. Instakeyword will find you hundreds of easy-to-rank keywords based on your seed keyword. Step 3. It shows you the global and local search volume for each keyword. Step 4. Using a special ranking algorithm, it calculates the competition score for each keyword so you can isolate easy-to-rank keywords with good traffic. Step 5. That's it. Your keyword research is complete. You now have an amazing list of keywords which are super easy to rank and also have a good amount of traffic to boost your sales. Instakeywords is a super affordable keyword tool that gives you the same keyword metrics for which other companies are charging hundreds of dollars monthly. Instakeyword is a one-time purchase and comes with a commercial use license. So not only can you find keywords that boost your business, but you can sell your keyword research on sites like Fiverr, creating an additional income stream for you. The only catch is, to keep Instakeywords affordable for everyone, we had to restrict the number of memberships on our site to 1,000 members. So as soon as we get the 1,000th order, this special deal will end and this page will be gone. So hurry, take action now before this deal ends.